Today is Hiroshima Day. This is observed on August 6th every year as a reminder of bomb attack on Hiroshima by United States during World War II, which killed up to 80,000 people directly and 35,000 people were injured. In Hiroshima, this atomic bomb codename was Little Boy, dropped by Boeing B-29. Little Boy of weight 64 kg and blast yield of 15 kilotons on TNT, it destroyed around 90% of Hiroshima city. Hiroshima National Peace Memorial Hall is one of the national memorial halls in Hiroshima, which is built for remembering this attack. After 3 days of Hiroshima attack, another bomb was dropped on another city in Japan, on Nagasaki, by B-29 on August 9, 1945. Its code name is Fat Man. This killed up to 1 lakh people in Nagasaki. Nagasaki National Peace Memorial in Japan was constructed in 2002 for victims of Fat Man. So, we saw how destructive the nuclear weapons can be. So, Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty (NPT) was found. Its objective is to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons and their technology and to promote cooperation in nuclear energy. This treaty is joined by 191 nations. So NPT is formed to stop these disasters and help in peace usage of nuclear power like generating the electricity, etc. 191 nations has joined this NPT. But India didn't. Why? What is the evil mind of India? Well, India wants justice. NPT says that nations which done nuclear tests before 1970 can only possess nuclear weapons. That are China, France, Russia, United Kingdom and United States of America. But India says nuclear weapons in all countries must be destroyed, or few countries which have nuclear weapons may bully other countries. So for this peace in the world, India says that all the nuclear weapons in all the countries should be destroyed. But which countries have nuclear weapons? They are Russia, which have 6,800 nuclear weapons, United States, which have 6,200 nuclear weapons, China, which have 300 nuclear weapons, France, which have 300 nuclear weapons, India, which have 150 nuclear weapons, Pakistan, which have 160 nuclear weapons, and United Kingdom, which have 120 nuclear weapons, and North Korea, which have 40 nuclear weapons. India says all these should be destroyed to prevent large-scale destructive incidents like this to happen. So this is the story of a destruction which happened in past, a threat of tomorrow, and actions to prevent it in present. So if you want to share this interesting story, please share this video with everyone, and if you like the video, please click the like button and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos like this. Please comment on the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.